Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha.
Andy McDonald, the Maltese Falcon, just came off of a high-risk stealth camp and gonna chill a little bit. Those things can be stressful. Go check it out. The high-risk stealth, about 25 meters below some condos. The camera doesn't do it justice, but I was tight. This time it's gonna be the complete polar opposite. We're just gonna have a beautiful day together and do some work, have a fire, build a shelter, try out a new tent, just have some chill cocktails and hopefully some wonderful food. Let's go have a great day together. Thanks for watching.
Snake pit time, Falcon.
Bye. Bye. Sell, sell, sell. Bye, bye, bye.
白笑白笑白笑白笑白笑白笑白笑白笑白笑白笑白笑白笑白笑白笑白笑。
Oh no.
You need to get out of the snake pit, Falcon.
I can't take this. Let's go camping.